Take Part performance crews based at the Mooney Arts Centre in Pontypridd decided to create and write a show following a visit to London to see The Wizard of Oz. Various themes and ideas were discussed, but after a songwriting exercise, the children and young people decided that they would focus their show around highlighting environmental issues that impact on their daily lives. They conceptualised an emerald city that polluted the air. The Tin Man, Lion and Scarecrow, who had been banished from the city for making too many green decisions, helped Dorothy to become more eco-friendly. Over 100 children and young people took part in the performance, and some 300 parents and family members came to see the production, learning about recycling and the environment as they enjoyed the show.